Hello, how are you today? Seeing these candles literally everywhere, and I thought, you know what? I want to attempt them. And the reason I wanted to attempt them is because Liz put a tutorial up on her Instagram, and I thought, you know what? That looks nice and easy. So I'm just gonna hope that they are nice and easy and they're not gonna give me a heart attack. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull up Liz's Instagram and just find a little video first, because you know we kind of need the tutorial to kind of see what we're doing.
Okay, to start with my bent candles, I'm grabbing a large pot and filling it with warm water, putting it on the stove to a medium-high heat.
I brought the kettle. Should I wait for it to cool down a bit? Okay, right, well.
Here I have a large container or bucket that's about 15 inches long. My candles are 15 inches long, so make sure that your size container fits your...
I just need to pause for a second because I'm actually very warm. I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, so I have my candles here. I just got like cheap ones in Tesco. I also have ones from H&M just to see like maybe the quality's better, I don't know. I mean, they don't smell very like nice. I don't actually know how much these were, to be honest. I didn't even check the price. I could have been ripped off for all I know. Okay, so these are my candles. So it fits in there perfectly, as you can see that, which is the goal here, I'm assuming. And then I'm just curious how long they have to sit for, to be honest. Okay, right.
Add and submerge the candles so that they sit and get really...
Okay, let's get to that stage first. Okay, right, let me get my hot water and maybe some cold water as well, just in case. I'm very excited. I just cannot wait to see if this turns out right. Okay, so I mean, this water is very hot, so I mean that's why I got the cold water, just to kind of dilute it a bit, because I don't want to burn myself either. And you know what, I probably didn't boil enough water. Oh my god, that's hot. Okay, right, well, won't be doing that again. So I think it's like not like hot, like it's warmer, like hard and warm. So I'm just gonna submerge. I'm gonna put in one at a time. Let me just grab a spoon for a second, just because I can't touch it with my fingers because I'm gonna burn my fingers off. Or well, you know, a fork would also do, so I'm just gonna grab a fork. Submerge under the water. Let it get nice and soft. It's not deep enough. Okay, there we go. That's it covered now. So how are you? How's the life treating you? How's COVID and everything? What have you been up to? I've just been filming loads of content because I'm a content creator. I've been working very hard on my projects I'm doing, which should be up in the next... First, it should be up in the next couple of weeks, so you know, give an eye out for that one. Or I think it's after this video, so I don't know when it's going up, but keep an eye out for it. I have no patience. I mean, it isn't really that hot, the water, so I mean, this could take a while. I'm gonna put another one in as well, just because I don't really waiting long for this one to bend. No, they're not giving anything yet. Oh, this takes so long. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna boil some more water because I want it to be done faster. Oh, it's bendy. Okay, I'm really intrigued. Okay, I'm just gonna wing this one myself and see what happens, because I don't want it to, like, you know, snap in half. That would not be ideal. It's not the vibe we're going for today. I mean, I'm not going to lie. For my first attempt, I think we can agree, it's pretty spectacular. I thought this was going to be one of them things where it looked like a lot easier than it actually was. For this one though, this one's going to be submerged for quite a bit longer, because I'm going to put these all in, because honestly, let's just have some fun, shall we? Yeah, I'll bring it closer so you can see it. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? I know. Yeah. I know. I don't have a candlestick at the moment, but I've ordered one for this specific video, so that should be coming soon. And it looks like a, I don't know, like a little snake or something. I don't know, I think it's really cute. Now I know why Liz put 2 in at one time, because waiting for one to do is just like painful. Okay, I'm gonna be a bit more brave with the next one. Like, that one was a safe. That was like the first try. Like, that was like just being safe and, you know, easy. This one, you're not ready. You're not ready for what you're, oh my God. Oh no, oh no, okay, it had the like kind of actual candle part where your light head came off, but it hadn't, it just was being a bit, it was hiding. Yep. I mean, the main reason for doing this is I just wanted to see how easy it was, because I mean, all these videos made it look so easy, but I wanted to check just for myself because I have trust issues. And so far, I mean, I think we can call this one a success. I mean, is it perfect? No. But you know what? Is the world we live in? Exactly. This one's actually bending a lot easier than the other one. I'm just going to do like a more of a subtle bending on it. Like, ooh, yeah. Nice one. I like this. Okay. This is, we started from the beginning. We're working our way up to a bit more, you know, braver. You know, eventually we'll get to the stage where, you know, we're not scared at all and we can really bend the bottom and make it really cool. I think this is my favorite one so far. Like, they'll be nice in a set together. Oh my god, would you buy these? Should I sell them? There'll be €5 each. Yeah, that seems like a good price for all my effort that I put into this. €5 each. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, I'll send you my Revolut details, so you can just shoot them over and just give me your address or your PO box, whatever you use, and I'll send them right over. Okay, right, we're not messing around anymore. We're going serious here. I mean, I don't know why I'm so surprised that the candles are bending. I mean, it's wax. It's not as if they're made out of like aluminium or something, or plastic. Oh, just came up with the best idea to keep them all down consistently. I just moved the fork over all of them instead of just having it like kind of with the forky bits. I done the sunk to the bottom, and there we are. Now just waiting for it to melt a bit more. I'm just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna go take this one out and just hope for the best. Y'all aren't ready for this. You're not ready for this. Like, ooh! That's so cute. Okay, I kind of want to make it bend more down here and then go up. Oh, this is so neat. Oh my god, this is my new hobby. Like, honestly, just catch me here all the time rolling candles. Okay, right. I want to do another one where, I don't know. Let me like show you some from down here. Like, let me give you a better angle. And I want to do kind of like this and bend down and then bend up. Because I've seen this one done a lot as well. Oh my god, perfect. Like, honestly, who am I? Look at this. Oh, okay, actually, you can see better down here. Look at this. Now I just need to hold this here for a second for this one to dry, because I feel like this one's not going to dry as easily as other ones. Oh, yeah, see, look, it's already kind of coming out of shape. Wow. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. I think I'd like to get like bigger ones, like really long ones, and see what we could do. I mean, just finding something that would hold them, that's the thing. I mean, I suppose you could get like a box, like a big box, and really get creative with it. I'm gonna look into this, because this is very fun. This is very relaxing also. So I mean, if you're ever stressed out or looking for something to do just to pass the time, definitely recommend this, because honestly, I feel like all my problems and my troubles have just been lifted away. Okay, I think that one's like dried enough now. It won't fall apart on me. But yeah, it's cool. Okay, and the final one. Let me see, what shape should we do this time? Okay, and that is the candles. I think it was a success. Definitely would recommend trying it. It works very well. I was surprised because I thought they were all going to snap in half of me, but if I could do it, anyone can do it. So definitely try them out, and if you do, tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.